currently at Goofy's Kitchen. We woke up late and we were rushing to get here. The kiddos slept amazing last night, as did I and Alex. So it's a buffet where you go up and get what you want. They have a ton of options, including breakfast and lunch. Even though it is 7:15 in the morning, there were chicken fingers up there. There's also ice cream up there too. Noah, sit down. The characters are going to be coming around soon. So far we've seen Dale, Minnie, Goofy, Pluto. We're at Santa Monica Beach. We met up with our friend from back home and walked to the pier, had some food at this delicious restaurant I'll show you. And now we're headed out to play in the sand.
Thank you guys, thank you so much. Any more special requests? That was a special request.
Enjoying this nice weather. Who needs water when we can sand swim? Tell me you're not from the beach without telling me you're not from the beach. Biggest escalator of all time. No, and I will be taking the elevator. Hello from LAX. So we are waiting at the airport. Our plane was supposed to be at 6 o'clock and we were running really late. We left the beach pretty late on accident. And there was a lot of traffic, so we actually got here at like 5 o'clock and our plane was supposed to take off at 6, which is not good. LAX is not an easy airport to move through. We didn't realize how big it was, and I guess this is like a newer terminal, and once we took the escalator and elevator to get here, there's a sign that says it's a 15-minute walk to the terminal. So, and it was a far walk. We finally got here, thankfully. The flight was delayed an hour and a half. So we had plenty of time to get through security and everything. So the kids are hanging out. Noah's playing with his car. Mia's coloring on her new princess coloring book that we got. We let them pick one thing out from the store as like a new toy that they can play with on the plane since it's such a long ride. which has worked out pretty well. This kept her entertained in the car ride to Santa Monica from Disneyland. It kept her busy for most of the time that we've been in the airport. As you can probably tell, I am already sunburnt on my cheeks. Mia has a sunburn on her cheeks too. So we're just getting through. Hopefully the plane gets here soon, and we are on our way to Hawaii. And where are we going now?
Hawaii.
Are you excited?
Yes.
What are you the most excited for?
The sand.
To play in the sand?
Yeah. About 11 o'clock, a little after 11 Hawaii time, which is like 6 a.m. Chicago time. The kids are knocked out in the stroller. Alex has blisters all over his feet. But we made it. Pretty is it? It's beautiful. It reminds me a lot of Animal Kingdom. Alright, we just arrived to our room. Let's do a quick tour. We've got a closet right here. Coffee station with a regular coffee pot. A little sink. Fridge. A fire extinguisher and a trash can, microwave. A few things up here. Can use if needed. Bathroom. Turn the light on. Alright, we have a separate room for the toilet, which is actually kind of big. A little getting ready area, and then bathtub with a shower. And then pretty large bed. Say hi, Alex. Are knocked out in the stroller. TV, got some drawers up here. Table, pretty standard. And then out here we have a garden view room. I don't fall out the door. A garden view room. There's like a table and chairs out here. And it looks like that's kind of just, it's probably hard to see in this video. There's like a turf field straight below us. And a parking lot. So there's a little water feature over there. Pretty big.